was walking through the streets of a town. He had little to eat for 2 days. He had spent his last penny, and all that remained in his pockets was a piece of dry bread. As he passed by an eating house, he saw several people sitting around the fire, eating and drinking on the fire. There was a large cooking pot full of meatballs, giving out a delicacy smell that would make a hungry man's mouth water. The owner...
Okay, Charlie. A class? Fifth class. What's your name?
My name is Kajal.
Okay. Question. A question chadu, then answer chadu. Second question.
Regular exercise will enhance your strength.
What's the answer?
Decreasing.
Decrease kada. Choose the correct as in word in regular exercise will enhance your strength. దానికి ఆపోజిట్ వర్డ్ చెప్తున్నాను డిక్రీజ్. ఓకే థర్డ్ వన్ రీడ్ థర్డ్ వన్.
Choose the character answer for the opinions given below. We should stand dash injustice and leave.
What's the answer?
Stand for.
For. Accommodate this. Fourth one.
Fill in the blank with the stubborn answer given below. A dash also expresses good service and quickly.